opening a bank account requires meeting specific eligibility criteria and providing the right documentation to satisfy regulatory standards. Understanding these requirements ensures your application is processed smoothly without unnecessary delays. To be eligible for a personal current account with Starling Bank, applicants must meet a few baseline rules. You must be at least 16 years old and be a permanent resident in the United Kingdom with the legal right to reside there. Starling personal accounts are strictly for personal use, meaning they cannot be used for business or sole trader activities. Additionally, you must not already hold a main personal current account with them. For business accounts, the eligibility criteria expand. You must be a sole trader or registered company, and all persons of significant control or directors must be natural persons residing in the United Kingdom. Identity verification is the next major hurdle. You will need a valid smartphone to download the mobile banking app, which is where the entire application takes place. You must provide an accepted form of photo identification, such as a valid passport, an EU identity card, a biometric residence permit, or a full or provisional UK driving license. Beyond identity, the bank may require proof of address if it cannot be automatically verified. Acceptable documents include a recent utility bill, council tax bill, a recent bank or mortgage statement, or a UK government-issued letter like a tax code notice. Business applicants will also need to supply documents detailing their specific business activities. Finally, be aware of credit checks. When you apply for an account, Starling Bank performs a search with a UK credit reference agency. Initial checks leave a soft footprint that does not impact your credit score, though applying for overdraft facilities later may trigger a hard check. Having these details and documents ready will make your application seamless. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my